Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2014 Ford F-150 FX4. Now the exterior color is a sterling gray metallic, and under the hood we have a 5-liter V8 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic select shift transmission. Now at the front we have our HID headlamps as well as our daytime running lights and a pair of fog lamps with 2 tow hooks. And over at the side we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our Goodyear tires. We have our Ford OEM running boards and our color matched mirror caps and color matched door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows in the rear. This truck also comes with many great features, including an engine block heater as well as command start and alarm. At the rear, we have our reverse sensors paired with our backup camera, as well as our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7-pin connection. We also have a locking tailgate, and inside the box we have our spray and bed liner. And at the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with the power side feature. At the interior, there's tons of driver-friendly features, including power locks, power windows, as well as power adjustable and foldable mirrors, with a signal light indicator on each left side. And as we look into the interior, at the steering column we have our automatic headlamp dial with our tilting steering wheel with our foot pedal adjustment switch on the side. And on the front we have our information trackpad as well as cruise control settings. And over to the right we have our hands-free and volume controls. Now as we look up we have our auto dimming review mirror and our cabin lights with 2 more cabin lights in the rear. And the driver and passenger can enjoy nice black leather seating with fully adjustable seat, and the driver can have a memory seating option. At our dash cluster, you'll notice the amount of kilometers on this beautiful F-150 is 97,054. And as we look at our display unit, we have our phone connectivity as well as information and entertainment controls and other options including air conditioning and heating seats for both driver and passenger. To the right we have our 12-volt adapter, and to the left we have our 4-wheel drive engagement with our integrated trailer braking system. And over at our center console we have our console shift, which includes our manual mode, which includes a select shift of 6 speeds. And at our center console there's tons of comfort on top, 2 more cup holders in the rear, and lots of storage underneath. So at the rear, the passengers have lots of power windows as well as storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the rear of the center console, passengers can enjoy a 12-volt adapter with an AC outlet and 2 ventilation systems. And then with our 60/40 bench seat arrangement, there's tons of space for 3 passengers, including lots of legroom and headspace. There's tons of cool features inside this truck. If you guys have any more questions, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would like to take the time here to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.